How to uninstall Microsoft Solitaire Collection in Windows 10. Here are some options that allow you uninstall Microsoft Solitaire Collection in Windows 10. 1. Uninstall Microsoft Solitaire Collection from Windows 10 Start menu. 2. Uninstall Microsoft Solitaire Collection via Windows 10 settings. 3. Run the following PowerShell command as admin: Get-AppxPackage Microsoft.MicrosoftSolitaireCollection Remove-AppxPackage. Four. Run the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide.